Hello everyone, my name is Nathan from Eyespecs.com. Today we'll be taking a look at Fendi sunglasses model FE40013U in color code 30G. The color of the frame is gold. On its temples are protective sleeves to make sure that they don't get scratched or damaged. And the lenses are gold mirrored, and they have the Fendi branding. Although when you wear them, you will not see the F in the Fendi branding. Its temples are also gold. On its inner right temple, you'll find the Fendi logo and that it's made in Italy. On its inner left temple, you'll find the model number, which is FE40013U, the color code, which is 30G, and the dimensions of the frame. 59 is for its lens, 18 is for its bridge, and 140 is for its temples. On its nose pads, you'll also find the Fendi logo. The glasses also come with a Fendi gift box, a Fendi puffy case, a Fendi black and pink cleaning cloth, a Fendi card of authenticity, and a Fendi manufacturer booklet. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these glasses or any of the glasses, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.